Usage methods and safety guidelines are essential for ensuring smooth experimentation with a centrifuge. Usage methods, balancing samples, method. Ensure all tubes are balanced and symmetrically placed. Importance. Prevents imbalance and potential damage. Setting parameters, method. Adjust the speed, time, and temperature according to the protocol. Importance. Achieves optimal separation conditions. Securing the lid, method. Close and lock the lid securely before starting. Importance. Ensures safety during operation. Monitoring operation, method. Regularly check the centrifuge for unusual noises or vibrations. Importance. Identifies potential issues early. Precautions, personal protective equipment, PPE, precaution. Wear gloves, goggles, and a lab coat. Importance. Protects against chemical splashes and mechanical hazards. Sample handling, precaution. Use proper techniques to avoid cross-contamination. Importance. Maintains sample integrity and purity. Maintenance, precaution. Regularly clean and inspect the centrifuge. Importance. Ensures long-term reliability and performance. Emergency procedures, precaution. Know the location of emergency stop buttons and fire extinguishers. Importance. Responds quickly to unexpected events. Training, precaution. Ensure all users are properly trained. Importance. Prevents misuse and accidents. Following these usage methods and precautions is essential for safe and effective centrifugation. To learn more about our range of centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding usage methods and precautions, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.